Hello guys, how's it going? AlexTheGrumpyOne here. I hope you're well. Today I got an exciting video for you. This is on the accessories for your vehicle, and this is a really good one. So far I haven't seen any better units. So this is CARPODGO T3 Pro, 60 FPS screen. I'm going to show you today the unboxing like I usually do. I'm going to show you the features, how to connect your phone to it. Today I got Android, but you can obviously it's Android Auto and also Apple CarPlay. And I'm going to show you how it works, and it literally covers all the vehicles, old ones, new ones, even if you just got an FM radio, or even if you haven't got a radio, this got built-in speaker into it. But yeah, got all the options, even for Teslas, special editions. But yeah, really exciting, decent price as well. So if you're looking for something to install in your vehicle and you thought it's not even possible to have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in your car, I think this will be definitely a great solution for you for that problem. So if that's something you're interested in, tune in and let's get started. Right, so let's start by doing a bit of an unboxing. And in the main box you get a bigger box, obviously where it all fits, but in that one already you got the extras like a reverse camera with long cable. That's really handy obviously if you want to have a reverse camera in there. Then you got a main plug for the power. You also got on and off button, and because you're going to be using your AC socket, it still gives you a charger there already as an extra basically, so you can still charge your phone through this in the same time as you're powering up the unit. And then you got the bracket with the suction cup for your windscreen, but there's quite a few options, so just hold that thought and you'll see what else you're going to get. This is the other extra, so this is in case you haven't got Bluetooth on your obviously existing radio in your vehicle, the sound system. So this goes to your aux port or AUX port, whatever you want to call it, and then this becomes basically a Bluetooth transmitter to your unit that you can connect to using obviously the unit and the phone, and then the sound will still go into your original radio, original speakers, and transmit it through there. So that's really great extra, like I say, if your original radio in the car hasn't got Bluetooth setting. And now let's get started by opening the box. Obviously I already had this all out, but I'll put it in just for obviously purposes for this video. And guys, we'll have a discount in the description below and a link for this unit as well if you're interested in buying it and have a look online. So do check out my link please, and also like I say, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. As you can see here already, very strong magnetic cup on it that obviously you put either on that for the windscreen, you undo it and it goes on there, or there's other adapters that you're going to see in there in a second, but it's really strong magnetic adapter to it. Literally that's not going to come off. That's with the vibration in the car or whatever, that's never going to come off because it's really strong. So this is the rest of the extras that you get. So you got some installation sticky double-sided tape that you can see there. So this is installation for your dash in case you want to stick it to a dash. Obviously it depends on what vehicle you got. You got different options here, and like I say, you even got option for Tesla if you want. They do sell adapter. So this bends slightly, which is really handy. So it will adjust to the shape of your dash if you need it to. And again, just connects in there using little extension, and then it just adjusts to whatever position you want it to be. Then you got a double-sided spare sticker there in case you changed your vehicle or in case you didn't put it in the right place. So you got another one there. So then you got USB-C connector there as well for the unit. This is the direct AUX or AUX plug that you got to connect from the back of the unit to your radio, existing radio in the car. This is another suction cup that you got here. So quite a few extras, obviously the manual here, so you can have a look how to install everything, how to set it up correctly, and explain you what each port is, and showing you how you can obviously install it in your vehicle, which is really handy. how it works, explaining all the functions and everything else, how to set it all up. So that's good to have in there. And now obviously let's have a look at the actual unit. So here we are. Now they do come with the protector sometimes on them already. Obviously this one has been off. But the first thing, obviously I know it's not the first time I'm taking it out of the cover, but the first impression I had when I took it out is the quality. It just feels great. It's really nice design. I'm really happy with the design and how they finished it off. And the screen got really good brightness adjustments. We're going to talk about that in a second anyway. So yeah, this is it literally. So nice thin screen, I would say. So this is the ports they got there: USB, mic, for the mic, sorry, and AVM, audio, and the power, obviously to plug it in, which is this plug here that goes into your cigarette lighter. And don't forget, obviously, for some people that don't like wiring like that going into your cigarette plug, you can always buy something that you can adapt directly to your fuses and have a power feed to it from the ignition that you can have coming out. But obviously, like I said, that's an option. And again, just to show you, it just stays on there. There's no movement at all. I'm shaking the hell out of it. That's not coming off at all. So I think the next step will be to power it up. Right guys, so today I'm using a Honda Integra DC5 2001 model, and this already got aftermarket unit, Pioneer one, but unfortunately it actually only got connections to the Apple, so iPhone. I'm on Samsung, so I won't be able to connect to it as Android Auto because it hasn't got that option simply. But yeah, I mean, it can be your case or it can be a different case, whatever, but in this case I have got the aftermarket unit that was in there. It has got Bluetooth connection, which is going to make things a lot easier and give me the best quality that I can get for the sound that's going to be transmitting from my phone or from the unit into the speakers in the vehicle. Right, so as you can see, it's just a Pioneer unit. There's no external connections here, so it has got Bluetooth, and obviously it's connected to all the speakers of the vehicle, and that is what we're going to be connecting today with the unit. So I'm going to plug in the cigarette lighter there, and obviously as soon as you plug in, the lights come on, and you got your USB socket there. Obviously make sure it's on, so the light will be on. And I'm just going to plug the cable to the back of the unit. So I'm plugging it in now and show you how quickly it boots up. There you go, it's already on. By the way, first thing, which is pretty cool, you can change the logo when you boot it up. You can put a Honda symbol on it or whatever, any other makes. You can change all that in the settings. So that's powered up already. As you see, nice and quick. I literally plug it in and the screen appears straight away. This is the first boot up after the factory reset. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a few options. So if you press that for the connection, it comes up straight away with obviously what you have to do to connect to it. And again, that's Android setting, Bluetooth. That will take you to Bluetooth settings, which is obviously turn it on. It gives the name of the device, and you got auto connect on there, and obviously you have a list on the side of the phone that you connected to it. You can clear it there. Brightness, so you can adjust. Once you adjusted the time, it actually automatically puts the night shift on. As you can see, there's time for night shift you can select. You can also adjust how bright you want it during the day, how bright you want it during night shift. And to turn it to night mode, in case you want to change it while you're driving, you literally just have to swipe across. So as you can see, dims up, gets brighter. So nice and easy, and the touch screen is really responsive. It's really good. And while we're here, you got option of 3 wallpaper, sorry. You got that one, and that one. So that's pretty cool. The logo one, the one I've said to you, you can choose all different ones. So for today we got Honda. So next time we're gonna power up, you have a Honda symbol on the screen instead of the name of the unit. And then you got right drive. This is to change the settings. So I have got right hand drive car. The mode is 60 FPS is on, and you got 10-second timeout, return CarPlay. So that's there. Then the volume settings for the media, navigation, phone. So you can adjust it all there. I'll just leave it in the middle as it is already. Audio output. So this is what I'm going to be using today, because I'm going to be connecting to the phone and also going to be connecting to the vehicle unit they're going to transmit the sound out of. Like I said, it has got speakers here and microphone, but the quality obviously is not going to be as good as your vehicle speakers that you got already. So then you got FM. This is depending obviously on what you got. If you connecting it directly to your old unit that hasn't got Bluetooth connection in the vehicle, which this one obviously has, but if I had an old unit here, I would have selected FM option, and you're going to restart now. But what happens is you, like I said, going to reboot because it changed the whole thing now. And I'm pretty sure I forgot to press save on the logo bit. I do apologize. So now obviously it changed to the FM. So what's going to happen now is I can hear it making a noise already. So what you would have to do, you have to go to options on here and set it up to FM. Obviously match it up to 88, and if you select 88 on here as well, it will automatically catch that obviously frequency, and it will be transmitting the sound that you're putting from Android unit into here, from your phone into here, and then from here it will be transmitting into your radio that way. But like I said, today I don't need to do that. I will do the normal connection with the Bluetooth, which is apparently the best quality that you can get and the quickest one. Then obviously if you're using the cable and you got an exit somewhere for AUX, then you put it on that mode, and then the speaker, which will be transmitting the sound from the speaker that you got in the unit, which is pretty cool still that it has got one. But obviously I'm gonna go for the option that we got here. I'm gonna connect both of them to Bluetooth. So it's restarting now. So just to go through the rest of the settings, if you go in there, you got the system, obviously language, so you got a few languages to choose from. You got date and time that you have to set up. It's nice and easy to set it up. Time zone as well, so that's all normal stuff. And like I said, on logo, I just forgot to press and save it. You have to set it as logo, so now it's done, so that will be sorted now. So yeah, from this stage I think I can go and connect the phone to it. Right, so to connect it, you literally need to turn the Bluetooth on, and then it should find it on your list. As you can see at the top there, the name that matches that. Just press connecting, it comes up with the passkey, so pair it, and there you go, straight away it's connecting to it already. There we are, so you're already in Android Auto, so some radio stations come up there straight away. Obviously the map is not coming up because I haven't got the location shared for the privacy purposes, but as you can see, everything's working there already, everything's there. YouTube music, the weather, and obviously you can exit at any point to go back to the normal screen, but then if you press that, it goes back into it straight away. So the map will be there obviously. Now the voice control is there as well, so you can text using the voice control. Obviously all of that works spot on. Right, so I've turned the radio on basically, and I'm gonna obviously connect it to my unit. So all I have to do is go to Bluetooth audio.
Interest from Sony and Apollo.
As you can see,
and now the deal, as I understand it, is awaiting a sign-off from the control shareholder.
Obviously, this is transmitting the music, and it's going into my unit and transferring it into the speakers of my car.
Soon, it would seem.
As you can see, the radio is playing, and like I said, there's no delay. The noise is coming out spot on, no problems at all. And again, like I said, the screen feels amazing. Everything's there. Messages as well, you can text, obviously voice text. You get maps, calendar, phone, YouTube music, and obviously if you got Apple, then you'll have slightly different menu, as you know already. But yeah, the unit, if I'm gonna put it in the end in this vehicle, it will sit there. And I think that would look pretty good. And like I said, all I would need to do is just stick that little plug on there and then connect it to the back of the unit. And I think that would look amazing if I put it there. I think that would look tidy. Obviously the only thing, yeah, you will have the wire coming out, but I'm sure I can make it look nice. and obviously depending on the vehicle you got, you can tidy up the wire, you can push it under the covers, or etc. Because the benefit of having this unit is really awesome, and like I said, the quality and everything else is just perfect. So personally, I definitely recommend having one of them. Like I said, it's the best one so far that I've seen on the market. And if you're on discount, then do go in my description and you get a link there and you get a discount as well. Just to show you a quick power up, I'm going to turn the key on and you see how quickly it powers up. Ignition on. There you go, the Honda logo is on there. And look, you're ready to use it. Basically, it's just connecting to the phone. This also will depend on the phone you're using. But this is like real time, I'm not skipping anything. And there you go, it's already ready to go. So here we are, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful to introduce you this product into your life. And like I said, personally, the best one so far. I haven't found any issues with it. I have been using it for a while, trying it in different cars. Design, again, spot on. Magnetic support, brilliant. Works every time, really strong. Lots of extras in the box. And the price is very reasonable as well. Very easy to use. Light unit, it doesn't vibrate when you put in support and hold it on there. And like I said, once again, the link is in the description below. Do have a look and let me know what you think as well about this video. Like it, and I'll really appreciate your support if you subscribe as well. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.